well refrigerated.
Sound it out. Try it again.
Refrigerated. Alright, today we're gonna be making some pancakes. Woohoo! You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright.
How do we make these?
There's baking powder, salt, soda, sugar, buckwheat flour, and flour.
Okay.
Directions: add every 2 cups of a mix. I don't know what that means.
3 1/4.
3 1/4 cups of butter, milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or
Look inside there. Look at all those little. Are those buckwheat seeds?
Ew! Wait, we poured that in there?
No, we didn't. We're going to put this outside and feed it to our chickens.
Yeah, because there's ants on it.
Yeah, they're like little beetles of some kind.
It's kind of gross.
Yeah, it's pretty gross. Look at our trusty cookbook for pancakes.
Oh yeah! 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 beaten egg. 1 cup milk. 2 tablespoons cooking oil.
Let's put it right here. So we got 3 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter here.
Oh, that looks nice.
How satisfying is that?
Oh, do you see that, guys? That's nice. Now do I just dump it
Dump
in?
it in. 2 more of those.
A tablespoon?
Yep, 3 of those.
Okay. Am I right or am I right? You're left. Alright. Now next one. 2 teaspoons baking powder. So 6.
6. Okay. What's next?
1/4 teaspoon salt.
So get your 1/4 teaspoon.
How many for salt?
What's it say?
1/4.
And we're doing triple.
So 75. So 75 scoops.
75 1/4 teaspoons of salt.
Alright. 1 beaten egg. Wait, 3. We need 3 eggs.
Why do we need 3?
Because it's triple of 1.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pour that into our wet ingredients. Okay, give it a nice stir.
Whoa. Yeah. This is fun.
Okay, and pour it all in here.
It's gonna be nice, right?
Why don't we turn this one off?
Yeah. Pancakes were very tasty and fun to make. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, turn on notifications, and comment if you have a comment. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye. Blah.